What it ain't what it is. So today I'm gonna try to attempt to do a PRL Resonator delete kit install for the intake. Yeah, because I don't know if I could reach under there because there's a lot of clips on the bottom for the bumper to take off the bumper. So let me give you guys a sound clip before I start. All right. And then still cold. Yeah, look here. This is the plug. And then at the bottom, you have to put this other little, I don't know what you call this, to be honest, with a clamp. I guess it's called a rubber cap with clamp. And I also have some horns that I'm gonna install. Hopefully, I don't know if it's gonna be on the other video or on this video too, because I'm just going out on a whim right now to see if I can do it in my driveway. Usually I go to my parents' house to install stuff because our driveway is on a hill. But so far I have, let's see, 50 miles on the car. Just waiting for the car to warm up. I guess I'll stop and start it when it does. Give you a sound clip, so be back. Alright, I'm back, and car's warmed up. I don't have a way to open the hood and record while revving the engine, so I'm just gonna do my door open and revving it so you guys could hear. So let me go up. There it is, little sound clip, and we're gonna go to the install and then show you another clip after how it sounds. I popped open my hood. Sorry for the wind noise and my allergies, but to take off the bumper, as far as I know, you're gonna have to take off this 10. There's a little clip here to hold this. Let me see. These two, 1, 2 for the headlight, and the same thing on the other side, right there. And then there's a looks like a Phillips screw, and then there's another bumper clip on this, under this, for the fender liner with the bumper. Same thing on the other side. And then let me see if I can go under. There's 10 bumper clips on the bottom that look like, let me see, oh my bad, that look like this. And then two, let me see, 2 of these Phillip and a 10 mil, 2 of those on each side, and then 10 bumper clips to take it off. But before I start, I'm gonna remove the negative terminal just in case. You never know. Then I'll come back. Alright, I'm back after finding my ratchet that I thought I had in my toolbox, but so far this is what I did. You know, I took there was a two 10 mil clip. This clip, I don't know why it was so cheap, it broke off. Didn't even, and then there's 210 right there near the air box, and then there's a 10 right there that you have to remove just so you can have some wiggle room like that. Down here, this is the resonator on your driver's side right here, and as far as I know, I think you take the resonator out and you put the plastic, like rubber cap, and then a clamp. I'm trying to take it out now. There was a 10 right here, 10 here, and then sorry, right below it there's a 10 right there. So I'm in the process of taking that out, and it looks like, let me see, I think this is connected to it also. Let's see if I can show it. There's another 10 right, don't focus, right here. Using my phone to record, my bad. I think there's another one right there. It doesn't tell me to take that off in the PRL PDF file, but it looks like those are connected. So, and I'm supposed to be taking this out, which I'm having difficulty doing, but all right, I'm gonna try to do those and then get back to the video. All right, update. I can't continuous record because it's really windy, so I'm trying not to make a lot of wind noise. But anyways, the resonator I took out, it was right here. There was a tubing to it like this to the resonator. I took the tubing out, replaced it with a rubber cap right here, which is connected to the intercooler charge pipe right here. So I just gotta tighten that up, and then I gotta remove the top still, which I'm struggling with, but yeah. All right, hold on please. Update again. I finally took it out. This top resonator was in here like this. Well, more down in there, but I can't. So I took that out. So this leaves you with that hole right here, which this metal, what is it called? Billet. Where you would just shove that in, and then pretty much you screw everything back in, and that'll be it. Let me do that real quick because of wind. Obviously you can hear me back. All right, I got most of the, oh god, tired. I got most of the intake part in. I just got to put the bumper and everything back in, but we're gonna see if any lights pop up for us. Hopefully not. Alright,
that we have added the Mazda franchise.
turn that down. Hood open. Let me see if we have any. Hold on. Alright. Should tell you a warning if there is one. Nope. Well, let me close my door just to make sure. Hood open. That's the only. And it should pop up here if anything, any warning comes up, but let's give it a whirl. Let's see how it sounds. I don't know if you hear that little intake, but it'll sound different when you're driving it. And actually driving it, not just rev, because I think it makes most noise whenever you drive it and you shift it. You'll hear the little intake turbo noise more. So we're gonna go for a drive in a minute. I just gotta put everything back. Honestly, the most painful part of the whole process is all the bumper clips. There are so many bumper clips and screws just to take off the bumper. Makes you feel like you're about to break it because the bumper where the headlights are, it's kind of tight, so you gotta kind of go put your arm in it, pull it out so you don't break the little prongs that go into the headlights from the bumper. Anyways, less talking, so let me stop the video again, sorry, and I'll be back. On a side note, sorry again, I'm gonna be replacing these the badges with the red badges. And just so you know, the back does not have like those little prong clips. My car has grass all over it. But the front, as far as I know, for the Sport and SI, they have these clips right there. And I don't know how to take them out, but I want to take them out. Right there, there's two of them. So, yeah. Alright, as I was putting my bumper on, I realized there's a Phillips here. I did that. there's a bumper clip here, which I knew about, but I didn't know there was a screw up here, a Phillips screw that goes in there right here. That goes into there. I didn't know, so I broke my bumper on right there. So don't make the same mistake I did. Try that again, but I'm not gonna shift it. I'm just gonna stay on first. Can't really hear anything. I mean, it's not completely loud, but I'm sure when I get an intake from PRL, then you can definitely hear it. So yeah, well, I'm gonna end the video. So that concludes the tutorial of the Resonator delete. Hopefully y'all understood it more than just reading it, and I will see y'all next time.